You are ready to get to work, flip the switch for your snowplow, dump bed, or winch, and absolutely nothing happens except for a check engine light popping up on your dash with the code P260A. This code stands for PTO Control Circuit Open, and it is a frustrating one because it directly stops you from using the auxiliary equipment that makes your truck a workhorse. The PTO, or power takeoff, is a system linked to your transmission that transfers engine power to those external tools. When the computer sees that the voltage or resistance in that circuit is completely wrong, it triggers this code to prevent damage. Since this code appears mostly on work trucks like Fords, Rams, and Chevys, the first culprit is almost always physical damage. These trucks go through mud, salt, and vibration, which wreak havoc on wiring. Start with a visual inspection under the truck. Look for wires that have been scraped bare against the frame, burnt near the exhaust, or pulled loose by debris. It sounds simple, but a loose ground wire causes this code more often than a failed computer ever will. If the wires look good, check the PTO relay and fuses. A blown fuse is a cheap fix, but you need to ask why it blew. Usually that points back to a short circuit somewhere. If you have a multimeter, you will want to check the connector pins for corrosion. Clean them up and check for continuity. Also, be aware that some systems incorporate an oil level safety circuit. If your transmission fluid or engine oil is low, the system might intentionally cut the PTO circuit to save the machinery, triggering the code. Don't just throw parts at it. Verify you have power getting to the switch and that the signal is reaching the relay. If all the wiring checks out perfectly, only then should you start suspecting the PCM. But honestly, in 90% of the cases I see, it is a broken wire or a corroded connector stopping you from getting the job done.